Hi, mathematicians. Today for math, you're going to need your May math journal, and we're going to be working on the last page in your math journal. And it is all about frogs. If you don't have your supplies, this is a good time to pause the video and go get them. Remember, you're going to need crayons, a glue stick, and scissors. You also might want to grab a pencil to write with for your number sentence. There were 6 frogs on a lily pad. All of the frogs hopped away. How many are left? So you want to color your frogs. I've got 6 frogs here. I already colored and cut them out. 5 and 1 more is 6. When you are done coloring and cutting out your frogs, you should have 4 frogs left that you didn't color, and you can just throw those away. I also decided to draw a lily pad on my paper. A lily pad is kind of like a big leaf that floats on top of the water in a pond or a lake. So now I've colored my frogs and I've cut them out. I'm ready to glue them on my lily pad. All right, here we go. Ribbit, ribbit. Here are 6 frogs on my lily pad. So I know that I'm going to write a 6 in this first space because that's how many I started with. Round the hoop and make a loop. That's how we write a 6. Next, let's look at the second part of our story problem. All of the frogs hopped away. All of them. And it says how many are left. When it says how many are left, that means we're going to be subtracting. And I also noticed the minus sign right here. Those are my clues that we are subtracting. So if all of the frogs are hopping away, I have to put an X on all of my frogs. That means 6 frogs hopped away. So I put an X on all of my frogs, and I also wrote 6 in the second space. Now I can solve the problem. If there were 6 frogs on a lily pad and all of them hopped away, how many are left? I hope you said 0. 0 frogs left because they all hopped away. 6 minus 6 equals 0. When you finish doing your number sentence and all of your cutting and gluing, you can also color your frog up here too if you want to.